Nintendo Switch 2, the Mario Kart World bundle. So let's open it, I guess. Hopefully all things go well. So, first of all, we have the inside. So this is where the actual Nintendo Switch is. First of all, Joy-Cons are bigger. And then we have the Switch itself. Okay, let's see what's under here. So here we have this. Then we have charging cable, charging dock. Okay, let's open this. Here is the dock. Switch 2. Okay, let's open this, I guess. But the screen is what we're looking for. We have just for some screen protection. We have a big case. This is actually really big. Okay. Also branded. Put it on. Oh, whoops. Just put it on. Yeah. Okay. Now, screen protector. Okay. Now, this comes with 2 screen protectors. I think. I don't have to perfectly land this. Oh, no. Okay, well, it's on, and then you just pull. Okay, so, see this? Oh, that is so satisfying. Oh, that is really satisfying. Just read off screen. And some music. Yep. This is just internet connection. As you can see, there are these buttons that you just press it, comes out. And you can see when I press them. Oh my gosh, so cool. But yeah, I'll show you Mario Kart World after.